For today's Sundays with Suraj, it's not a podcast, it's more like clothes and accessories review, which is going up on Refine really soon. The accessories will be going up this weekend,
Yeah.
and clothes, I'm guessing, next weekend or whenever they're going to go out.
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our first piece here from Stretch. I don't know if you can see it clearly or not.
Do you think
You
this
can
is
always have a
blocking it?
pop-up
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
Pop-up as in?
of the clothes.
Or like
How
a
you have
picture in the side?
the
Anya,
soap
are you
stays
smart
there.
enough to do that?
We have to send a picture of it.
I'll say.
No, they're already on the page, right?
Oh yeah, iske hai. And
Iske
even
hai?
iske we
just
shot.
like have a pop-up in the white
okay.
space.
Okay, so what do you think? This is already up on the page, right?
Yeah, this one's there.
It's a shirt.
So it's not been sold yet.
Mm-hmm.
No,
So why do you think this has not been sold?
it's a type.
Looking at it, it looks lit as fuck. You love the color. I love the fucking texture of it.
Yeah.
Why do you think this has not been sold? The
Don't
pricing.
put us under the bus like
I think the pricing is. What's the
What's the pricing of this?
I think it was
the-
$8.99 or $7.99.
Okay.
One
What
of
was
them.
the actual? What do you think was the actual price?
We can't find because these are not like mainstream.
Do you think
brands.
it's reasonable to have it for $8.99?
On the thrift store? Maybe not.
Why not?
So you think we've got to? Why not? As in, people don't want to spend so much money probably on this piece.
Yeah, but it's good quality, and let's say if you're buying
It's
the
new.
original one,
That's the thing, na? It's
and
new.
that's higher. So if you're getting it for a cheaper price,
Mhm.
why not?
Well, you should ask them. They
Okay,
didn't buy
why not?
it. Since they're not buying it at
You're the
$8.99.
audience right now. We are rate finding.
So according to me, I think $8.99 is overpriced. Although I would buy it for this fucking smooth material. Take
Yeah.
that from me. It's not actually that smooth though. Not that I'm.
Soft.
Yeah, it's soft.
Soft.
Not smooth, soft. Outside is also good. I think $6.99 is a good pricing for this. Not $8.99.
Cool, we'll price it to them.
Okay, so new pricing.
$6.99.
Whoever is watching this is available for $6.99. If you want,
Don't agree.
just DM Stretch and we'll sell it to you for $6.99.
Yeah, those two are ours. I love the embroidery on this.
Yeah, the detail is damn nice.
Yeah.
Looks pleasant as fuck too.
Also, the color is so fun.
Brand is kya?
Reflections.
Reflections.
Another reflection.
This has gone up in the sale.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This also has not been sold.
Yeah.
Like what the fuck is wrong with you, bro? How much was this priced for?
$9.99 because of the embroidery.
It makes sense.
I genuinely feel it's overpriced, $9.99. I wouldn't have bought it too.
What would you want?
Again, forget it. $6.99 seems like
It's
a
stop.
sweet spot for me.
We can't put everything for $6.99. This is super nice. Also, dude, embroidery. You don't get embroidery for that cheap.
And this is machine embroidery, not hand. So
Takes time and effort.
Yeah.
Still, I feel then $7.99 at max.
You're bargaining here.
I'm
You're
not,
like,
I'm not bargaining. I'm just telling you what price would I pay for this. I would have paid $7.
do this. Whatever price you tell for each shirt, we'll put them on that price next, and we'll see if they sell.
Okay.
Alright, cool.
Whoever is watching, this is also up for $7.99. If you're interested, DM. Let's see how many DMs we get.
See, I get it that you're talking money wise, but cloth and like the whole shirt and everything else.
The quality.
Yeah,
basically.
quality.
See, I would pay the money, so quality is up to the money mark. If it is not, I wouldn't want to pay
It
this
is. It's a good quality only,
money.
no?
You, why didn't you buy it?
Because-
Working with the refined.
Okay, I'm
You
just
can have
fucking
that.
with it.
We are refined.
Yeah, we're refined.
Why will we only buy?
Exactly.
Out of love, man. Out of love.
We'll give everything to them.
Anyways, this is actually good. Is this sold?
No.
No.
Did it go up?
Whatever's here.
Yeah, it went up.
Yeah.
Again, Stretch is the brand, yeah?
Hmm.
This
No. No, these are the brands. This means that it's stretchable material.
Holy fuck. So the first one is not stretch, by the way. I thought it was stretch. So what the fuck? Anyways, what was this price for?
I need my phone for that. I think it was $6.99 or $7.99. We didn't price this high.
I think this is good for 79. 7.99 too. This is actually
And they're
small.
all tie
I like it.
shorts.
Not short.
Not
Not shades. This one. I think this was
I
fairly
will take this
priced.
from you.
Yeah, you can take it. You can do whatever you want.
Okay, next.
I think that was fairly priced. I don't know why
Yeah.
it was not sold.
I also think the style maybe people are not into. I don't know.
Oh, I love the color. I
I
think
know,
this one
right?
and that color is like really nice. The first
Purple.
one we saw.
Yeah.
I feel this is
It's like
fucking
very
attractive.
eye-catchy.
I
yeah.
know, right?
This is very eye catchy. Compared to that, I would still
Get
choose
that.
this only.
This one,
Yeah.
yeah.
This is way fucking better. Do you want to get that?
Yeah, just put it beside. It's almost similar. The first one. Both are similar, but like really nice colors, bold colors.
This is not stretch.
Like,
Bold colors, but this is very prominent, man.
I know, right? We had people asking this, but I think the girls who wanted to buy this were a different size than what the shirt is.
okay, what's the size?
I think it's an L or XL.
Okay.
Half the messages which I read on the refunds account today were like, can I get different sizes?
Yeah, but it's only one piece and
Yeah, one
everything.
piece.
Sorry. But still, you can feel it.
Okay.
Yeah, just take out multiples.
Yeah.
Can you remove that?
Oh, this is not. This is not on sale. This is next sale. Remove it.
Ooh, sneak peek.
It's a not shirt.
This is also not sold.
Hmm.
What the hell, man? This looks. I don't know, this looks happy. When I look at this, I feel happy.
Sunshine.
Yeah.
I like this one a lot as well because there's a striped shirt in there.
I
That's
think
my
all
favorite.
of these will be
Like
like
pink striped shirt. All of these?
will be like a nice statement basic
Mm,
shirt.
yeah. Something like you should have in your wardrobe.
Yeah.
This one.
Yeah, that
Yeah.
one. This is my
Oh, it's
favorite.
nice.
Mm.
Shut up.
I don't know what you see in it though.
Here the fashion
See,
people. Yeah.
like how a white shirt had become a trend. That's how stripes is. Like you're not too overdressed, but you're this is casual.
put in
You can
effort.
always like wear it with denim or like black ties.
You can use it with any kind of
Yeah.
clothing.
Yeah.
And you can always wear this kind to work because it's also formal casual. Get it?
I don't get it.
You have to
but
design
I'm
it.
gonna
No,
agree.
it makes.
I understood
I
it's,
get it.
Yeah.
it's easy to wear with any clothes
See,
and it's
yeah.
acceptable everywhere,
Mm.
Yeah.
Exactly.
right?
Yeah, because there's a dress code everywhere. Wherever you go, like you're supposed to wear something to work, like
Yeah.
certain something to something.
This can be used everywhere.
Yeah.
Interesting. Has this gone up?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Priced for?
See these $7.99 or $8.99. One of the two.
Do you think it's perfectly priced $7.99 or
$7.99
$8?
is fine.
What is your price?
I would say $6.99, bro.
You don't say $6.99 to everything.
I'm not saying for everything.
Either go lower or higher at least.
It's
See,
a
that's
shirt.
the price where I think somebody would pay for this. I'm not saying it's the same price for everything. It's my genuine price. If I have to pay for this, I would have paid $6.99.
See, something like this.
If it was lower, I
a
would have paid
t-shirt can go lower, but it's a shirt and it's a good quality shirt and has all the buttons. Everything's like good quality, maintained well, so it's fine. $7.99.
Okay.
Really?
I disagree. It's fine.
We'll keep this also. I don't want to keep it in my
We'll
lap.
Yeah,
put it to the side here actually.
Okay, next.
This is also really cool. I think it's the size S. This
It's
is
a
only
different
S,
pattern,
yeah.
right? From all those?
It's smaller. It's not a different pattern. I think. Yeah, it's small.
Smaller.
This is the only small shirt we have in this collection.
Even this looks pretty bright, man. And pleasant.
Sunshiny.
So whoever wants this yellow can also like
Get this one.
Yeah.
If you don't get that one.
yeah the sides.
Or get both, I'll give you a discount. Okay, talk about this. Checks again.
It's stripes.
Stripes.
Stripes. What's the difference? Checks is?
Checks is
Checks,
boxes.
Boxes.
Oh.
Oh no.
No, what the fuck? Box is a box. Why do you call it checks?
Checks is like the
This.
chess one. Chessboard. and
Hashtag.
Chess.
Ah, like this.
Yeah. Yeah.
I get it. Okay, what about this? What do you call this?
Stripes.
Stripes.
And it's a gap.
And it's a gap. I'm assuming this also looks absolutely brilliant.
No, I don't know.
Yeah, this is
The
more
colours.
like pastels and
Yeah, that's in trend. This
Do you
is
watch
what-
Office? In that there's a character called Toby who's always dull and sad. I don't know, the moment I saw this it reminded me of Toby.
If
Dull
you're a
and sad.
Toby, get it.
Yeah, there are a lot of Tobys out there. This is for you. So we're done with the clothes right now and we have accessories.
Wait, we have?
Put this on side.
Yeah, 1 minute.
You do want to show this hat? No.
We have accessories and hats are up here first. What do you call this?
Bucket hat.
Bucket
I
hats?
wore these on one of my posts for Just Mass. Did you see?
Yeah, that was cute as fuck. Legit, bro.
Really,
First
what
time
did you
I
like?
saw that, I was like, what the fuck? Because of this hat, the entire picture looked good.
Yeah, I know, right? Kind of I
Anyways,
styled it well.
what do you think you're pricing these hats for?
This is not a bucket hat.
I think it
all
was
these
around
are.
300 to 600 the prices.
These ones for 300.
Yeah, 3, 4. I think these are 4.
Uh-huh.
This is also 4. This is 5. That might be also
I
Five.
think out of all the hats, only this one
Yeah,
has
it's
the
reversible.
pattern.
This
Print.
one is reversible.
Print.
Yeah.
It's reversible.
Yeah, so this one.
Yeah, but it's white.
No, it's not reversible.
It's
Suraj.
not,
You have seams
yeah.
showing it there.
Oh, holy fuck, this has.
The-
It's a hunter cap, bro.
You look like a birthday boy.
No, the
Yeah.
babies.
In my head, I'm looking like the hunter from.
Jumanji?
Exactly.
No.
With the mustache and shit.
Oh, Kevin Hart.
Hey, not Kevin Hart has now a mustache. Jumanji, beach mein
Oh,
one hunter
the
will
one
come.
guy.
Yeah.
Got it. I was like, mustache.
This actually suits your outfit.
Thanks.
Yeah, the colors go well.
You keeping that too?
No. I can't afford to give everything.
Okay, we've not spoken about hats. I'm just gonna remove it because we haven't. There's not much to show. They're just hats
Where are the bags?
Yeah.
next to me.
What's coming?
Yeah, product review.
Cool.
So this is the. Are you fine with it?
Yeah.
First, right, what do you call this?
I like
bag?
the.
It's a sling bag.
Sling bag.
Yeah. Because you wear it on the side.
Side. Or like over.
The part I like the best about this is not even this. It has a handle inside. For what reason I don't know. But it has it.
You probably show off what's inside. You know,
Probably.
hold it and go like this.
I'm sure it's not for that.
Hey, I guess this is for.
What?
I don't know, bro. I thought I was going
No,
somewhere.
even I thought like you could flip it over and then like
Yeah, but it's
use it.
not double sided.
But it makes no sense. No, but yeah, it's always
Or
a
can
fancy.
we- No, you can't. I thought you could reverse the whole bag.
How much do you think you would price this for?
No, this we can't reveal prices because it's not our pricing.
Oh, it's not our price.
Yeah,
Oh,
it's from an
we're getting it
influencer.
from an influencer. I forgot.
Yeah.
Looks good. Also feels good to wear. I've worn it. Not just once. I wore it for a couple of minutes. Walked up and down the staircase also. Not just with this bag, every single bag which I'm going to show. So it's out of experience that I'm telling now.
Okay, next. Even this is a
Oh, this
sling.
is from Mango, I think. Do you know
Mango?
what Mango is?
It's a brand.
No clue what's
It's a huge brand.
It's a huge brand.
Mango.
Sweet.
Like it's a really good brand.
And you don't get. Oh no, you don't.
It's the original one.
Yeah, yeah.
It's the original one. I know. Mango is thick. This one is
Nobody will
original.
duke mango.
No, there are
There are?
places you get.
Oh yeah, there are
Wasn't-
places you
wasn't
can
It's
she
buy
and,
like
like
dirty mango with a O with
Yeah,
something.
I got it.
Wasn't she in the place where you could get everything like that?
No, no. Shein is like a separate this thing.
Yeah, they're also brand, but they have cheap stuff, like super cheap stuff.
Mm-hmm. God damn, bro. Even this is sling?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All of them.
Then why do you buy different purses if all of them are sling and the same?
Color. Also, we don't encourage buying all of them. You just need one.
Yeah.
But if you want to buy all of them, I absolutely have no problem giving all of them to you.
And there's a card as well.
It's their wish, man. If they want one bag every week,
Yeah, you
let
never
them.
know.
Yeah. What is this leather?
No.
I don't think it's for leather.
God damn. If it's leather, it can be on. Can it?
I guess. Oh,
He
because
tried
of
to
the
be catchy.
because of the animal cruelty thing.
Yeah.
No, no, not that. It can't be that. This will be like
Fake leather.
Fake leather.
They make it through.
Yeah.
Seems just like leather.
Yeah. It's fake leather.
To be
for
precise,
reason.
crocodile.
It's croc leather only. The print, the texture.
texture. Yeah.
Stop smelling it.
Smelling
You,
it.
you're creepy.
No, I would just see if it was crocodile leather, I could smell, right?
They
Polish.
won't just yeah.
But the whole point of using crocodile leather is
You know, if
The
they
texture.
actually sell a crocodile this thing, it
They
will
do.
be like the price will be like
Yeah, it starts from
Okay.
like 20, 30.
like a refined or
probably that I could smell.
What is that?
I would want to
This
smell a
is
fucking
tweed.
frog. It's called?
The texture, the pattern is called tweed. You know Chanel? It's
It's
Chanel's
like a
signature.
This looks cute and I don't know, but it looks fucking classy.
Yeah.
yeah.
The pattern and this one.
I love this one. It's on my page. It's on Jasmine's.
Jasmina's tag bag.
Just Menas.
My collection.
And we have 4 more bags left. What do you call this sling?
This is
Yeah,
again it's a
the-
tufted bag.
Tufted.
Yeah, this thing is called tufting.
Uh-huh.
The what do you call it?
Stitching.
The stitching. Damn, Suraj, fashion.
It just adds more texture to it. That's
Hmm.
It's a brand new one, unused.
Yeah.
You got all the shit inside, so.
Why are you like this?
It's a brand new one, I have to
Why
show
would
it.
you show them?
Who knows, bro? People fake. Suraj doesn't.
Oh.
Just making a statement there.
Mm.
It's the
This
same
looks
one
hot,
in,
man.
Black.
yeah, it's
But
the
it
same
has a
one in
different
black.
Class. Yeah, it's class.
This looks way better than this.
Not this, the one you just put on.
The
it's the
Oh.
beige one is the same
Oh, fuck.
pattern. Yeah.
Like-
For some
Except
reason,
the-
this looks better than that too.
Yeah.
Because it's black.
The color.
It's shining.
Yeah.
But this is more of a. It'll go on more clothes,
Formal.
according to me. I prefer over
Yeah, black.
Probably, I guess this would be good for parties and shit.
That would do.
Anything would be even normal formal.
It all depends on your outfit. isn't
Yeah.
it?
If you're like when you go for neutrals, if you
Okay, let's say if you had to give her for this outfit, what would you give?
I'm wearing black leggings and
Black
this color
leggings.
ka scarf. What would you give?
This. Because of the black leggings, it's going to be down here your legs. Got some color sense.
Yeah. Aren't you colorblind?
Are you?
Inside joke.
Yeah, right.
Suraj
Hey
is
Arman,
coming.
what's up, my man? एक बार आओ यहाँ पे आओ, यहाँ पे आओ.
He's leaving.
Oh, no.
Now tell me, Arman, what do you think of these 2 bags? यहाँ पे आओ.
You won't come in the short.
You wanna sit?
Sit on that.
What do you think of these 2 bags here? This is better.
Why?
Why? अच्छा दिख रहा है.
The shiny thing.
Nee, the black finish.
Oh, the black. Oh, damn. Fashion. Nice.
ये हमारे ही है ना बात.
हाँ, नहीं ये.
Take this out. This is a gift for you. I'm just kidding. I'm planning to gift it to your sister. So इसीलिए मैंने पूछा.
He'll be like,
Also say hi to the camera there. Okay, what did you come for? I forgot to ask.
Charger.
Take it to the other. मेरा phone निकाल के. Give my phone here also.
Very nice. Very nice.
Very nice.
Honestly speaking, I like this part.
Same, I like. The color is too good.
Yeah, I didn't like this. This. For some reason, whatever you pointed only, I didn't like. I know it sounds mean, but I didn't like the black finish.
But I really like this one. It's Zara.
Oh, nice.
Oh, is this Zara?
Yeah, I think there must be a tag number. Yeah, see? Zara basic. They can't see, it's too far.
Yeah.
No faking.
I
Yeah,
think
this is spacious as
with
fuck,
all
man.
the yeah, exactly.
I guess this is a
Best.
first you should have used.
Yeah.
Those are useless. You can't put jack shit in it. Is that it? Are we showing goggles?
Ah, there's a box there. Is it there? Where is it? This safari be like.
I like the pink
My
one.
intern.
I love
So
this
cute.
one. This
The
I
pink
really
one is
like.
So cute.
This is my favorite.
This is mine.
You look like some. There was this guy in video game. Yeah.
What do you mean?
Soldier Boy.
Oh, I think I like this. Oh, this is
I don't know.
your.
Oh yeah.
Even that does.
This is dope, bro.
I really like that one.
Are these unisex?
Yeah.
Anything is unisex if you just
Yeah.
want to wear
If
it.
you like, like.
Bro, that'd be a reel.
Anything is unisex.
How does this look?
Cool as fuck.
Cool.
Buy it.
Very classy.
Alright. I'm gonna try
You
this
look like a
too.
gunda with like
Legit?
politician.
Yeah. Oh my, you should have like remove your
Like
bead
white
wala thing
shirt.
out.
Veeda.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm good now.
Dude, you know this is supposed to symbolize peace. Gunda Anta. It's the opposite. This is called movies portraying a gunda wearing shit like this.
Yeah.
Every
If you had like a silver chicken, even more.
and 2-3 rings
Yeah.
and gudka in the mouth.
Oh yeah,
They
this
spit it on you.
snake tree.
Then I would be a gunda.
Cool. The snake thing also looks very evil. So.
It's not evil,
Evil,
it's up to
yeah.
you.
Oh shit, I'm sorry.
Don't worry, I take no offense.
Given like negative for everything.
Yeah.
Everything you wear.
You know what is this? This is for
Rudraksh.
No.
clearing out the negativity and nothing affects you, and that's exactly what's happening.
You know what?
I'm not affected.
He came home and my mom was like, he's wearing earrings. I'm like, yeah, cute.
Have earrings too. Let me know if you want that on refund too.
Cool.
But how does this look?
I think
No
the previous
comments.
one was like.
Then you should have
much
asked me to
better.
remove it, man. What the fuck was
The
that?
pink one.
I think I look cool.
These are the most practical
Oh,
ones.
that looks nice.
Oh, you look like a computer nerd, like a sci-fi.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cute.
Thank you. I probably used it for a while before putting it on refund.
Look at these. These are the most practical
I think
ones.
the cheetah print is like really.
Again, going well with your outfit, man.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
I'm just a natural.
Yeah, I
Of
think
course.
everything here suits
Just
her.
my nose. Why didn't you put on anything?
I did. I put the pink one.
Yeah, she liked the pink ones the best.
Nobody put on this, right?
That's not men's.
But you can wear it. if
Yeah, you
like.
can.
Amazing.
I can still wear.
You know that.
I can wear anything and
Mumbai,
take it off.
there's a Topori gang, no?
That.
Exactly. The t-shirt also goes.
No comments.
The next sale is coming up soon, which is accessories, hat, and whatever is already there. You better like start.
Whatever we showed earlier, which were not sold,
We're reducing the price.
only few.
According to Suraj.
Suraj. Yeah.
Yeah, according to Suraj,
of
because they
Suraj's
said.
recommendations.
Cool.
Yeah.
So you know where to go. Refine here. So this is our product review. Let us know if you want us to make more of product reviews, or in general meeting recordings? We were having that plan.
Yeah, our business meetings.
We thought of uploading. We'll speak about it later. But let us know, how do you like this concept of reviewing products, unsold goods on the platform or not?